Should I install Kali Linux? Well, that depends what you're going to use it for. If you want something to be a daily driver or a desktop system or to learn Linux, then the answer is no. And if you're looking for something to run on a server, definitely no. But if you want to be able to use security tools and you want them to be pre-installed just so you have something to play around with and learn and test things out, or you want something that's ready to go just for some quick penetration testing and just to test things out, then Kali Linux is a great choice. Now, in a lot of cases, you might be better off just starting with a base distro and learning how to install and use the tools yourself. But if you just want a quick start, Kali Linux is great. Or if you want to just save yourself some time and you already know what you're doing, also it's great for that case. Now, a lot of people will be quick to criticize you for saying that you want to install Kali Linux. For example, on certain subreddits, if you so much as mention Kali Linux, people will just assume that you're a beginner and that you want to use it as a daily driver. I've had quite a bit of criticism for installing it. I did a video a while back where I installed Kali Linux on a MacBook, an old MacBook from eBay, and I literally bought that MacBook purely for the sake of installing Kali Linux on it, just to test it out, just for fun. It's one of like a whole bunch of different laptops and desktops that I happen to own, not even considering using it as a daily driver. But people just automatically assume that's what I'm doing because so many beginners do that, and so many people mention doing it. I guess people have gotten tired of hearing about it, and they automatically just assume that you're going to be using it as a daily driver. So people are quick to criticize you for running Kali. The other thing people criticize me for is installing it on a Mac. A lot of these Linux-focused subreddits, people see anything Apple-related, and they're just like, oh, I hate everything Apple-related. Oh, it's a Mac. Macs are terrible. And people will just downvote you immediately for, one, because it's a Mac, and two, because it's using Kali Linux, and they just, hate anybody who uses Kali Linux because they assume people are wrongly using Kali Linux as a daily driver. It couldn't possibly be used as for its actual intended purpose, which is just a convenient tool for penetration testing. But, go figure. That's just, that's how things are. But yeah, anyways, yeah, definitely, hopefully this clears things up and people understand, when you should and when you should not use Kali Linux. So yeah, if you found this useful, give me a thumbs up. If you really hate the fact that I mentioned the words Kali Linux or Apple in the same video, maybe give me a thumbs down. If you have an opinion on this topic, leave a comment down below, not just for me, but for other people who come along and watch this video too. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, and that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.